Now, maybe some of you are wondering, Doc, you're a diplomate of the Philippine Academy of Family Physicians, then why is it that you're promoting herbal products? Lalo na po ngayon, puro doktor po. Kaya nga po, napaka-special po ng araw natin because sets of doctors will be talking in front of you regarding the products and of course, regarding our health. Now, sabi nga po nila, no, ano ba talagang significance why we need to take food supplements? Additional expenses lang po ba talaga to o talagang kailangan natin? Yun yung topic natin eh. Una-una po, maganda po ba yung sinabi ni Dr. Ong about free radicals?
Yes!
Nakakatakot po ba?
Yes!
Nakakatakot ba magkasakit?
Yes!
Tingnan natin yung mga sakit. Okay? The reason why I'm talking in front of is because of these people. Look at this one. It's even bigger than your head. It's a breast cancer. Okay? Grabe yun talaga. No? Why? Ito lang yung dinadawang biro, pero think people, ganito po yan, Just try to think, sa hospital po, marami na kami nakitang ganyan. Sino po dito nakakita na ng cancer, tapos nga po kamay? Ganitong kalaking cancer. Okay, medyo nakaka-alarm po, nakakatakot. Now, isipin nyo, dalawang tita ko, mother ko may cancer. Diagnosed with cancer yung mother ko last June, and she died because of gastric cancer. Itong matindi, when she was diagnosed, it was already stage 4. Ang laki ng tumor sa loob ng stomach niya. And after 9 days, she passed away. Sabi na, Dok, hindi mo man lang nalaman, doktor ka, specialista ka, na yung nanay mo may cancer. People, wala akong manifestations. There were no signs and symptoms. Bigla na lang po siya nag-vomit ng blood, and all of a sudden, she died. Okay? Now, kung dalawang tita ko, mother ko may cancer, malamang si Dr. Villanueva po, merong why? It is being transferred from one generation to another. Maliwanag po tayo doon. Ito pang magandang usapan. Lahat po tayo sa kwartong ito may genes ng cancer sa katawan natin. Yung iba parang nabigla to. Oho. Para mas maganda po, tinan nyo yung katabi nyo. Tinan nyo. Nakahuli cancer na yung mga yan. Sana naman po. Pero ang dami yung klase. Mukha lang, Pero sabi nga po, nasan ba ang cancer? Nasa genes natin. It is inside our genes. Yung pinag-usapan po kanina with Dr. Ong. Maliwanag po tayo doon. Now, diretso po natin. Of course, our company is Alliance in Motion Global. Okay? And ang kapartner po natin is of course Nature's Way with our flagship product C24/7. Alam po natin ang Nature's Way sa po may kita Springville, Utah, USA. Okay? And lahat po pwedeng gumamit. Now, the reason why I'm here is because of oxygen radical absorbance capacity. Kanina po nagbagit si Dr. Ong about free radicals. Tama po tayo. Of course, before we deal with the oxygen radical absorbance capacity, pag-usapan muna natin ng tao. But before that, inalam po sa states ang banaw po yung mga antioxidants. And they found out that we can derive it from fruits and vegetables. Maliwanag po. Now, ito po ang tao if we're going to analyze it from the smallest to the largest. Or should I say, largest to smallest, pwede rin po. So, binanggit ni Dr. Ong kanina yung atoms. If we're going to combine the atoms, it will form molecules, and that will form cells, which will combine to form tissues, and marami po tayong organs. And group of organs will form 11 systems that will comprise one human organism. Maliwanag po tayo doon. Balik na rin natin ang usapan. Let's begin with humans. Okay po? Ang gwapong tao nito. Pero kidding aside po, ang tao po, may labing isang systems. Tama po tayo. But we're only going to talk about the 4 most important systems na lagi pong naapektuhan. Of course, the first will be your circulatory system. Okay po tayo. Guys, what is the organ that pumps blood to our body? Heart. Ito po yun. And pag pinag-uusapan ng dugo, ito na po, pag-usapan natin. Ano? Blood ang pinag-uusapan natin, yes. And every time we talk about blood, we're also talking about what? Nutrients. Binanggit na rin po ni Dr. Ong about nutrients, pero gandahan natin ang usapan. We have the carbohydrates, okay? We have the proteins, and we have the fats. Okay. Guys, where can we derive carbohydrates? Saan po ba natin nakukuha yan? Ang klase pagkain ang mga sources? Rice. What else? Noodles. Okay. Bread, cereals, soft drinks. Sama mo na. Maliwanag po tayo doon. Aside from the carbohydrates, we have the proteins. Saan po ba nakukuha ang proteins? Meat products. Okay. Pork, beef. Okay. And when you talk about fats, taba ng baboy, taba ng baka, okay, mantika, Sabi ko, pati nagmamantika, isama nyo na rin po, ano po. But again, the question is, do we need nutrients inside our body? Yes, definitely. Now, if that is the nutrient, if that is the systems, people, okay? At circulatory po pinag-uusapan, ito na po yung pangalawang system natin. Ang tawag po, respiratory system. Okay, ulitin ko natin. Ano po tawag dito? Respiratory system. People, we all know that air will go inside your nose. It will go inside your lungs for what? Gas exchange. Magpapalitan po yung oxygen at carbon dioxide po sa loob ng baga natin. Maliwanag po tayo doon. Now, the usual question is, Doc, do we really need oxygen? The answer is definitely yes. Why? Because if we're going to combine the nutrients and oxygen, it will form what? And people, all of our cells will be needing energy for it to survive. Maliwanag po tayo doon. Now, importante ang respiratory, balikan natin ang nutrients. We have the digestive system. What will happen? Food will be masticated or grinded inside your oral cavity. Okay? It will pass through the esophagus, then will enter your stomach. Ano po mangyayari? Liquefaction of food. Okay po? Ano yung sabihin nun? Tutunawin natin ang pagkain before they will go inside your intestines. Why? Because in your intestines, marami pong blood vessels sa wall po nila. So yung mga nutrients po will enter the blood vessels before they will circulate to your body. Maliwanag po tayo doon. Now, ang paborito ko pong system, ito po ang pag-usapan natin. The immune system. Guys, if we're going to analyze it over, people, lagi tayong mahilig magsalita na, ay na-immune ka. But at the back of our mind, alam ba talaga natin na ibig sabihin ng na-immune ka? Okay? So ito yan, ano? Okay? So we have the organs here, and we have the immune system or the lymphatic system, at may mga organs po kung tawagin natin lymph nodes. Okay, if I may ask you, people, ano ba yung lymph nodes? Kulani. Nakakapa natin dito. Sino po ngayon pala umatendang AIM Global? Pwede mo makita mga kamay? Yung mga first time sa AIM Global. Yan. Madam, nakasalin po, ano? Ma'am, pag sinabi kong kulani, maganda o pangit? Pangit, ano? Ay, maganda. Ano ba talaga magulo? Maganda o pangit? Okay. Pero most of us think na ang kulani, pangit. Tama po. Now, pag-usapan natin, ano po ba talaga ang laman ng mga lymph nodes natin? That's a good example of your lymph nodes, people. Inside yung lymph nodes, marami tayong white blood cells. So what will happen? Once the microorganism goes inside your lymph nodes, the white blood cells will kill the microorganisms. Maliwanag po tayo doon. So ulitin natin, maganda o pangit? Maganda, but it depends on the size of your lymph nodes. Why? Baka naman pumapakad do. May nakakapakad dito. Kasi laki ng tenga ko, gumagalaw pa. Pangit na ho yun. So, may sakit ka na. Maliwanag po tayo doon. That is what we call as lymphadenopathy. Maliwanag po tayo doon. So, patitigit over people, maganda ang kulani. Tama ba tayo? Okay. Now, after the lymph nodes, okay? Ito nga po yung mga organs. Meron tayong mga tissues. At ito po yung pinag-uusapan nyo kanina kay Dr. Ong. Ang tawag po natin, cells. Approximately, people. Okay? Sabi nga po nila, it is the smallest functional unit of the body. Smallest functional unit. Pag mula ang buhok mo hanggang talampaka mo, puro cells. And we have approximately, guys, 100 trillion cells in our body. Maliwanag po tayo doon. Now, lahat po ng cells, sinulit ko po, kailangan ng nutrients, kailangan ng oxygen. And again, if this is your cells, okay, meron po siyang nucleus sa loob, at pinag ni Dr. Ang kanina, may DNA po tayo. Maliwanag po. Ipakita ko yung sinabi ni Dr. Ang kanina. This is your DNA. Anong sinabi niya? It is the one that carries your genetic material. Lahat ng gusto mo sa katawan mo, ang responsible, DNA natin. Maliwanag po tayo doon. But aside from which, may isang magandang function ng DNA. And one of which is the so-called protein synthesis. Ano yung mga proteins? Yan ang pinag-uusapan no? Okay, one good example of your protein, sabi nga po natin, will be your muscle. For movements, kailangan natin yan. Paghinga nyo, kailangan natin yan. Paggalaw ng intestines nyo, puro muscles po yan. Pangalawa po, may tinatawag tayong part ng dugo natin, the hemoglobin. Ganun ka importante. It is the one that